Welcome back to the channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, my name is Aaron, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a vlog, so here we go. As lucky as you are, you're inside the cave where we make dreams come true. Making our product. Nice merch. So I got the channel on my chest right now, and my wife's over here making some of the Autopilot Exotics merch. We're gonna take a sneak peek on how it's done. Oh, here we go. What are you doing?
Measuring. I'm making a hoodie.
Okay. What are you gonna put on that hoodie?
Right here. So this is our little outline of a car.
Okay.
With Autopilot Exotics underneath it.
That's us.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long did it take to get these cut out?
Less than 10 minutes it took to do 4.
Okay. We got a couple ready right there.
Yep. So I don't have this cool measuring tool. So I use 3 separate rulers, and I just basically use this line, make sure I have it all even. And I want to do 3 inches from the collar, and I want to make sure from each point it's going to be straight as well. So lots of measuring, but once I get it measured, 30 seconds and it's done.
Boom. All right, let's see how it's done. What do you think? Feels good, nice warm, fits great. I'm a big hoodie fan, so we have multiple hoodies. Now I have a question for you. Down in the comments below, I need to know, what color vinyl should we put right here? So we have a couple color options.
A lot of color options.
So either Autopilot Exotics, our company name on the hoodie, on this color hoodie, or the R Supercars YouTube channel. Obviously the channel you're watching. If you didn't know, this is welcome back to the R channel. This print on this color hoodie, what color should we mix this with? We got black, we got white, some purple, some teal, pink, so on and so forth. We have a bunch of colors. I would like your opinion on what would look good with this type of high-vis yellow, because I'm a big fan of high-vis yellow. As you can tell right here, what do you think? Please drop a comment down below. All right, guys, there you have it. That's how the hoodies are made. If you want some merch, please reach out to me. Let me know if you'd like some merch. I have plenty ready, available. My wife will knock it out for us. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you gained value from this, and now you have an idea how these are made. And other than that, please hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all take care.